Okay, so this is what I picked up from Finn today. So I have this 9mm Luger 115 grain full metal jacket. That's what the FMJ stands for. And it says that this is training ammunition. And there's 50 in here. Show you what this looks like. This is brass. This is brass ammo. And this was $22.99, which is, I guess, average for today's pricing, but it's pretty high. It used to cost about at least $9, $8, $10 at the most before the C19 situation hit. At first, I was a little hesitant on getting this because it's like, where is the name brand on here? It's just like a blank box. And I asked the man, I said, is this Reload? Because I didn't know. And he said, no, it's brass. And he told me if I look on the back of it, it does say Blazer. So it's Blazer ammo. And on the receipt, it does say that it's made by Federal, which I was confused because it does look like a Federal box, but it doesn't say Federal. So it's Blazer Federal ammo. You could look on the back of it too. It says CCI/Spear. You can see that? Spear Operations. So this is some legitimate name brand ammo. The box just looked very blank. Okay. So I got this Winchester 5.56 55 grain, and this is brass. Let's see. Show you what this looks like, and this is what I shoot through my AR-15 pistol. And I will insert a clip at the end of the video. Well, no, I'll have the video. I'll have the link to that video in my end screen. So this is what that looks like. Uh-oh. So look how nice and long that is. That's like a real serious looking round right there. And that's what I use in my AR-15 pistol. Okay, I'll have to reorganize these. I didn't know the bullets were going to come out like that. I'll put that back in later. And this was $14.99. Also, I have this Tula ammo, and this is steel casing. This is 20 cartridges in here, 20 rounds, and this was $8.99. Show you what this looks like, and this is 223. So my AR-15 pistol runs steel. So I shoot steel and I shoot brass in my pistol. And see, that's the difference in how they look. So I was glad to get that, and whenever I do go to the store, I just try to get something, you know, just in case. And then this is a CR Tactical gun holster. I carry my Taurus G2C in that. And this is a size small for my G2C. Now, also, I was at Finn about a week or two ago, and I picked up some ammo for my cousin. She couldn't get out to go pick any up, so I went ahead and got some for her. And she has a Smith & Wesson, and it's a 40 cal. So I picked up some 40 ammo for her. That was $21.99. Oh, these are really pretty. Wow. So that's a nice little, it's like a chubby little bullet there. And these are brass. So I'm going to give those to her. to make sure she had some ammo because at first she just couldn't find any. So I wanted to make sure she had some. Alright, so that's what I purchased from Finn. Thank you all for watching. Hope you stock up on some ammo. Bye-bye.